Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Alright, so we're about to attempt to jailbreak this ps3 that they say it can't be. Let's give it a shot. So I'm going to make sure that there's no disk in the ps3. None. As you can see, I'll let you guys know what my ps3 is. It's a fat ps3. I don't know the model off the back of my head, top of my head, but I know it's one of the ones that are not compatible. But check it out. There's my other ones. All jailbroken. And then this other one, got that too. Another jailbroken ps3. So we got them for sale, $180 to $250. All depends on what you want. So let's see here. Grab my controller. First, what you want to do, you got this Condor updater that I downloaded. You want to open that up. It's going to flash at the 3.55 firmware. Alright, now I'm going to use the toggle QA. Alright, now since we both enabled both of those homebrew applications, now we're going to go to update. You want to make sure your internet settings are settings, internet connection disabled. Now you're going to go all the way up, system update. Now, this is where they say it can't be jailbroken. So let's go to system update. I have my USB flash drive on the right hand side of the ps3 USB port, closest one to the disk drive, and I have a ps3 update folder on it, and it's the USB is formatted to FAT32. So all you want to do is go to update via storage media, scan in. The following update data was found. Version 3.55.4 rebug downgrader. Location USB device. Alright, so I'm gonna go with rebug 4.81 for the firmware on the PS3, but I want to downgrade it to 3.55 rebug downgrader. That's the one that I want to use because I'm using rebug firmware. Might as well use their downgrader. Makes it run a lot smoother. So let's click OK. User agreement. Accept it. Turn off the PS3 system during the update. Turn off system automatically after update. No, we don't want to do that. Let's start the update, see what happens. Damn, it's updating. Didn't know it was going to do that. Could be a good thing. Maybe it works. Uh-oh. Here's where it might get sketchy. I don't want to brick this PS3. That sucks. That'd be a couple $100 down the drain. Right. And now we update. Now this is how you jailbreak a PS3. So you'll learn from this. Alright, this is going to take a little bit. Hell, we're already 20% done. After this, I have another file with a 4.81 version of Rebug. So right now we're just downgrading to 3.55. Getting it ready to put our firmware on. So and all you do is make a PS3 folder, all in uppercase, and then you make another folder in there called update, all in uppercase. Then you take your firmware, put it in that folder, and rename it ps3 updat.pub. Have that loaded on your USB. Only that file, don't have multiple files, so it'll get corrupted. There we go, 100%. PS3 just shut off. Hopefully that's not a good thing, right? Uh-oh. Hey, stop. Rebug. We just jailbroke it. Now we got rebug on it. They told me that I couldn't do it, that you can't jailbreak these systems. I can do it. Now, everything's on there. Cobra, top of QA. Debug settings. Alright, time to plug the USB back in. Now, gonna name it. Grab a USB. Open up the ps3 file. Update. Now, I want to put in my Rebug 4.81 software. So let me just get that, drag it, and drop it. Replace the file in the destination. Take a little bit, about 10 seconds. It's a big file. This is your main jailbreak with all your settings. This is huge. Alright. Removable disk F. There we go. So now, I'm going to go to removable disk F, right click on it, and eject it. Always eject it. Never just yank your USB out, you'll corrupt the file. Now back to the PS3. Alright, so I just plug the USB back into the right slot, and that's got the 4.81 software on it. So we are ready. Let me just take a look at these debug settings. Alright, that looks good. So now we're going to go back up the system update like we did the first time when we put the 3.55 downgrader on. So go to system update, update via storage media, scanning. The following update data was found. Version 4.81.1 rebug. Location USB device. So click OK. Now we got the user agreement just like before. So basically you're agreeing to the rebug stuff. Basically if your shit gets messed up, it ain't their fault. Do you accept the user agreement? I accept. Start. Now it's going to download your firmware. Alright, that's weird. Just shut off. That's not good. Oh. It's definitely acting a lot weirder. Alright, let me get you the download links for this. I'll give you the 3.55 downgrader and the 4.81. Right now, I like using the 4.81. It's the newest software out there that Rebug has to offer, and it's endless the stuff that you can do with it. Unlike the 4.70 dexes and stuff, you're limited to what you can do. This has the best Cobra toolbox. It's nice. And you can switch between DEX and CEX versions too. So it's nice. Now, let me get those download links. ps3 downloads. Got the 99 ground grade. YouTube. That's the downgrader link. That's the 3.55 downgrader for your ps3. And make sure your USB is FAT32 formatted, because that's what your ps3 is. You need that for it to read it. And in the back room, I got a E3 NOR flasher with the suit cable, mini computer, all the LED lights board. So with the slim models, you got a flash. I'll show you. This is my one of my slims right here. I'll show you. This is my slim. This is a DEX 4.78. Oh shit, Rebug. Yeah. Hell yeah. We are jailbroken. And they all told me you couldn't do it to this one. USB. Go to debug settings. Now, you gotta make sure NP environments, NP. Fakes free space. You gotta go through this, make sure they're all correct, or else you won't be able to get online. Now, what I gotta do is I have to put all my homebrews on so I can get online. So, got your USB again, plug it into your computer, and now let me go to my desktop and grab my jailbreak folder. Jailbreak stuff. Now, let me put all this on. So, we got multi-man. We're definitely going to put that on. PS3 extra MB stuff. XMB. What that is, like, it is to customize your layout of your XMB screen and start up your cold boots. PS Ninja, we need that so we won't get banned online. Now PSN patch, same thing, we need that so we don't get banned online. Rebug toolbox, we need that for our settings for our jailbreak. Send enabler, we need that. Now Iris Man, we need that so we can spoof our console ID. And now Endstone, we need that. That's how we hook up our RTM tools, Cappy Manager tool. Yeah. So let's bring it back. Now I'm going to plug the USB back in the right slot. Alright, now these are all your home brews and stuff. This is what keeps you not from getting banned online. How you load games and all that. So you're going to go to Package Manager. And then you're going to go to Install Package Files. And then you're going to go to Standard. No. Package Install Package from your storage device. Package Directory. Nothing there. There we go. It was the bottom one. So I'm going to start from the top. This is the XMB thing. Download that. And these all go pretty fairly quick. Install complete. Go back. Install package files. Now PS Ninja. This keeps you from being banned. There we go. Rebug toolbox. Those are all your settings to change your system to DEX, CX. Now set enabler. That is another thing that helps you to keep from getting banned. You can change your MAC address, everything in there. Like spoof it. So I already did that. Iris Man. This is to spoof your console ID, load games, kind of like multi-man. You can adjust your fan settings. Now, Endstone, this is to load your RTM tools, like name changes, flashes, all that stuff. And I put Cappy 2.7 on my PS3s, and I put Cappy 2.6 on my laptop. They're both compatible, they both communicate. It's because all the RTM tools you get they're all programmed for 2.6. You have 2.7 on your laptop and you can't connect. You got to do an update to it. So now, package manager. We did Endstone. Now we got to put multi-man. One last one. PSN patch. That helps you from getting banned. Alright. There we go. All of these are here. So first one, let's do our XMB screen. This is how you modify it. So now there's going to be, oh, it didn't do it. It's probably got to restart it to do that. But anyway, let's set up the PS3. Alright, Now go to System Information. See how it says CEX? Well, we want this to be full dex to run our mod menus. I can't run mod menus with CEX version. That's garbage. Now come over here, your system mode, you're going to put rebug. Your XMB mode, debug. Debug menu type, you're going to put dex. Toggle XMB CFW settings, enabled. Toggle Cobra mode, enabled. PS2 emulator Cobra, toggle webman, enabled. Now, you're going to come all the way down, and you're going to go up one. You're going to dump your EID root key. Now you're going to do this to make your system convert from CEX to DX, so you can run all your mod menus. And it's going to restart your PlayStation. Alright. Now let's see. Turn this on. There we go. Alright. So now we want to go back into Rebug Toolbox right there. So we did the first step. We dumped the EID root key. So if you go to System Information, we're still CEX because all we did was dump the key. So now we need to come all the way back over and then come to the left one. Now rewrite target ID flash. Convert ps3 from CEX to DEX if valid flash dump EID root key is provided. So we're going to try that. Found EID root key. Do you want to automatically convert it from CEX to DEX? Hell yeah, we do. Alright, now you're going to swap the LV2 kernel, switch between retail and debug kernels. The LV kernel successfully changed to DEX debug. That's what we wanted. Now a system restart is required. Press OK to reboot. Reboot it. Now we're going to go right back to Rebug Toolbox, and now we should see that our system is in full DEX mode. System information, see? Bang! Full DEX. PS3 system firmware, 4.81 DEX. IP address not available. LV2 kernel, DEX. Target type, DEX. Free hard drive space, 64. Cobra, 7.31. That's nice right there. Alright, so now quit. We put all our settings where we wanted them. Now let's do our XMB mods. This is going to be your cold boots when you start up your PS3. It's going to say something cool, you know. Like I have, one of mine has an Adidas symbol on startup. One of them says hacker inside. So now you're going to come up, and then here's your XMB mods game. Now you're gonna, come on, there we go. Here's our cold boots. You can get it to say all this stuff. When your system starts up, you'll see this. I like this one, Hacker Inside. But you can do Batman, the Devil, Nintendo, PlayStation, Superman, Monster Energy, DC, Red Bull, Star Wars, Rebug, and these are your waves. So from here on up. So let's go to Hacker Inside. I like that one. Install complete. Do you want to start the software now? No. Now let's go back in and we're going to select our background. This is our background. You can do all these. So I like this one. Alright, let's go right back in here. And one last thing, we can do your PSN icon. So your PlayStation Network icon in your XMB screen, you can make it say anything. GTA 5, Double Inside, DC, Rebug, Angry Birds, Batman. Like, it's pretty cool. Now those are fonts. So let's do this guy here. Alright. Now we can do our font. So this is all the font we can do. So everything on your ps3 will look like this. Let's do that one. Let's do that. Now let's start up. Now all of our changes you'll see here. Watch the cold boot. It didn't start, huh? See, we got that guy now. That's all of our new writing. Alright, so now I want to restart this. So go to Rebug Toolbox. After you download or make any changes, this is how you want to shut off your ps3. Go to Restart System, Full On Off Cycle. Now watch when it starts, it's going to say Hacker Inside, I think I chose. Bang. That looks sweet. Alright. So now that's it. All I need to do now is put in a game and start. Let me see. Let me find Black Ops 2. But yeah, so that's basically how you jailbreak a PS3. And I will be putting in Black Ops 2, and I will be trying this out. So give me a little bit. Alright, hope you guys learned something. Yeah, the one that can